Hello friends, today we are going to resolve an interesting and much asking issue, that is how to dual boot Ubuntu with Windows 10. Dual boot means we can operate Windows and Linux in the same system on our choice. So guys, there are a lot of video available on it, but in this video it will be done only in 2 steps, and there is no much requirements besides a computer system and a bootable pen drive or disk, whether it is CD or DVD, whatever you have. So guys, let's start. First we have to create an unallocated space by shrinking any drive, for which we have to just right click on my computer and click on manage button. Here you see a window, so click on this management option, and here you see your hard disk with its partition. So just right click any drive and click on shrink volume, or you can give the manually size of partition. So just click on shrink button. After syncing, here you can see the unallocated space has been created. So now just insert your pen drive and restart your computer system.
So just restart your system. Guys, it will take a little time. After that, we will go for boot our system by pressing the suggested key. For my system, it is F12 and it may be different for different system. So press the boot menu option. Here you can see. So guys, now we have to select our bootable system, whether it is CD or pen drive. So I select my USB drive. So just click on it and you have to click on install Ubuntu. So friend, now we can see the screen of Ubuntu has been started. I mean installation process. So just you have see a window. Just select your language. So just it in my English. Continue and select your keyboard layout. Continue and you see there are two options: normal installation, manual. You have to select normal installation, and if you want to install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware, so you have to click this button, but it takes time sometimes. So click on continue button. So guys, you see there is another window open here. If you want to keep both the Windows and Linux in your system, click on install Ubuntu alongside Windows Boot Manager. And if you want to install a fresh Ubuntu, so click on edit disk and install Ubuntu. Or you can select your partition size manually, so click on something else. But it is for veneers, so click on install Ubuntu along Windows Boot Manager and click on continue. So install now. Click on continue button and click on continue. So select your region, where are you from. So just type your username. Click on continue. You see the files of Ubuntu has been copying, and it takes a little bit of time for completing installation. So you see your computer screen, the installation process has been started. So I just pause my video. It takes a little time. So friends, you can see in your computer screen there are 4 options is available, in which if you want to go with Ubuntu, then click on first option Ubuntu, and if you want to go with your Windows, then click on third option Windows Boot Manager. So I just want to click Ubuntu option. So Ubuntu has been started. So now we just click on Ubuntu icon, and just you can type your password. So friends, now our dual boot system is ready to use in a very easy manner. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And I welcome your valuable suggestion, if any. Please write in the comment box. Thank you.